Welcome to Navigator of the Seas, Junior Suite 9270. So this is a Voyager class ship. This is our Junior Suite cabin for the week. We love this class of ship for this feature right here, the walk-in closet. Loads of storage in here. Does come with a couple of robes. I don't really know whether that's because it's a junior suite or whether it's because of our crown and anchor status. Couple of hooks up on the wall. We do bring the magnetic hooks just because it helps with organization, hanging things up quickly. CPAS card. This is our bathroom. So there are a couple of storage things here. Sink, they do provide Salt and Breeze lotion here. Sink, toilet, trash can. There's shower. And in the shower, they do provide, because this is a junior suite, the Salt and Breeze shampoo, conditioner, and body wash, body soap. Loads of storage in all these drawers. There is a coffee machine as well as a little chiller in here. Not a mini fridge, but it does keep things cool. There appears to be a 230 volt plug over here. And then moving over here behind the coffee machine, there are two US 120 volt plugs. No outlets by the bed that I can see. There's one lounge type chair, little table, and a couple of seats. And they did drop our bags off because we have the key.